Hello everyone, I welcome you all to today's class. I'm Shell, your educator on CSI Net Life Science platform, and today we are here to talk about a study plan that will help you a lot in your preparations. In this study plan, what I have done is I have divided the important topics into batches, or you can say into parts. I have named them as capsules. So, like capsule number 1 or batch number 1 contains such and such topics which you need to complete first. Then capsule 2 or batch 2 contains such and such topics which you need to complete second number. In this way, I have divided those capsules or numbered them on the basis of their priority, and this plan will help you a lot in your preparations. So let's proceed. You are watching me on YouTube channel CSI Net Unacademy. I request you all to subscribe the channel as well as hit the like button, because if you will do so, you will get all the notifications of live classes which are held on YouTube for free. Not only mine but other educators also, as well as you can see the recorded versions easily if you subscribe the channel. Okay. Then you can also download Unacademy Learners app from Play Store. And if you use the code SHELL-K10, then you can unlock all the free products, okay, present on the app. What are those products? On app, there are special classes held by all the educators, which is absolutely free, and live also. You can also watch the recorded versions of those, as well as there are free tests and quizzes also. So I suggest you all to immediately download the Learners app as well as use these free products. If you like those free products, then you can select your goal, UGC, CSI UGC Net. If you select your goal, you will get a page like this. And if you click the Get Subscription button, you will get two options, Plus and Iconic. So there are two subscription options, Plus and Iconic. In Plus, you will get to learn from India's best educators. Live classes will be held. Then courses will be completed point-wise before exams, as well as notes will be sent given to you in PDF format, and live tests and quizzes will be held. In Iconic subscription, you will get a personal coach who will help you 24/7 in your doubts. Then preparatory study materials will be given, as well as interview preparations will be done. And if you use the code SHELL-K10, then you will get 10% off on your checkout. And you can also pay the price of this Plus or Iconic in EMI format, which is no cost, that is no interest will be taken from you. So these are the prices for Iconic: 6 months 18,000, 12 months 26,000, and 24 months 45,000. Basically, if you divide them in month basis, then the amount is really less. See, so if you press this button and use the code SHELL-K10, you will get 10% off on this total price. Okay, these are the prices of the Iconic Plus subscription. For 1 month, this much. Then for 3 months, this much. Similarly for 6 months, this much in total. But if you calculate it on month basis, then only 1,875. Then for 12 months, 1,146. 24 months, 833 per month. So in this way, you can get the price lists. Similarly, proceed to pay. If you click, you will get 10% off if you use the code SHELL-K10. As well as there is a price hike alert. These prices are for now. So if you buy these things, you will get reasonable amount to pay. But these prices are going to be hiked. So I suggest you all to please, if you want, you can subscribe now, as the prices will be hiked. So you have to pay the more amount than this list. Then there are new batches starting every week. You can join easily in any of these batches. These are the India's best educators from whom you will get to learn. Then on our platform, chemical sciences, physical sciences, and mathematical sciences, all the streams are dealt with. So you can also refer to your family and friends. So now let's begin with the topic. The first capsule, that is the first batch of chapters, are DNA structure. Under DNA structure, you will learn A, B, Z. Just always remember this topic is the most important one. You will get 1 say 2 question every time, and you have to go through this chart, that is DNA A, DNA B, DNA Z. There's a chart given in Watson or Leninger. You can go and see that chart. So under DNA structure, please remember to follow this. Then RNA types and structure you have to read. RNA types and structure is also important concept wise. Then replication of DNA in prokaryotes, transcription of DNA in prokaryotes, translation in prokaryotes. Then replication in eukaryotes, transcription in eukaryotes, translation in eukaryotes. So these topics, if you learn properly, you will reserve your 4 to 5, or you can say 5 to 6 questions directly. In second capsule, you have to go through DNA repair, like what are the causes of DNA breakage or DNA problems, then how they are repaired, the list of enzymes which are used to repair DNA, then the process of recombination, transposons, then DNA packaging. Over here you have to learn about histone proteins, then regulation of gene expression in prokaryotes, that is lac operon and tryptophan operon, and mutation. Okay. Under third capsule, you have to go through protein structure. See this, from this topic, at least 5 to 6 questions come every year. So you have to go through this topic very thoroughly from good reference books. Okay. Then you have to go through enzyme action. This topic is very useful conceptually. Otherwise, 1 or 2 questions always come from this topic. Under fourth capsule, you have to go through membrane structure and transport across cell membrane. So these topics are very important conceptually, and for question wise 2 to 3 questions come from these topics. Then under fifth capsule, you have to go through regulation of cell cycle. Over here you have to read mitosis, meiosis, and how they are regulated. If you read this properly, you can also read cancer biology very easily. Then bacteria physiology. From this topic, nowadays questions are asked very often, so you have to go through this also. Then cell signaling, the processes of cell signaling. This is also very important concept wise, as this will help you in developmental biology. Okay. Then sixth capsule. Under sixth capsule, you have to go through cancer physiology and immunology. Under immunology, see, you will just go through B cells, T cells, innate immunity, adaptive immunity, then humoral immunity, then cell mediated immunity. So certain basics you have to go through. It does not mean you have to read full topic very elaborately, but only important things you have to go through. Then under seventh capsule, you will start developmental biology, that is you will go through morphogenesis, metamorphosis, and fertilization. These topics are, from these topics 2 to 3 questions always come, so this is also very important. Then under eighth capsule, developmental biology topics like embryonic development in Drosophila, vulva development in C. elegans, and ABC flowering model in Arabidopsis. These things are given very nicely in Pathfinder book. So you can go through Pathfinder to complete these topics, and these topics are really important. 3 to 4 questions come from these topics. Okay. Under ninth capsule, you have to go through plant hormones. From this question, as well as photosynthesis. I have forgotten to mention that. Photosynthesis. So from photosynthesis and plant hormone, basically 5 to 6 questions come. Then vernalization, photomorphogenesis, and plant secondary metabolites. These topics are very nicely given under in Pathfinder also. You can follow the Pathfinder also to complete these topics. Then in 10th capsule, you have to go through nervous system, which is very important. 1 or 2 questions come always. And you can read this from Tortora. Okay. Then ECG. You have to be very thorough with reading of the electrocardiogram. Then what is the significance of the peaks? So these things are asked most commonly. In 11th capsule, you have to go through ecology topics like biodiversity, nitrogen cycle, read data book, laws and rules of ecosystem, which I have already uploaded, then population ecology, succession, as well as population interaction. So these things are very important, and these should be covered under 11th capsule. Then in 12th capsule, you have to go through phylogenetic tree, geological timescale, human and horse evolution, species and speciation, then Hamilton rule, and inclusive fitness. This phylogenetic tree is very important, and 1 or 2 questions always come from this topic. And other things are also important. From this, one question always comes. In 13th capsule, you have to go through behavior, animal behavior, mate choice, then inter and intra-sexual selection. So these topics are very important when you will uh, start going through 13th capsule. And these two topics, at least two set three questions come. Then in 14th capsule, you have to deal with biotechnology and biotechniques. Okay. You can also keep this 14th capsule on higher level. So you have to go through biotechnology, that is recombinant DNA technology, and biotechniques. These biotechniques, if you are facing any problem, you have to only see the concepts of all the techniques which are used. And recombinant DNA technology, you have to always focus on agrobacterium mediated gene transfer. This is really, really important when you will deal with biotechnology. So with this, we come to the end of this topic, and I hope this study plan helps you all. We will meet in the next class where we will deal with some conceptual topics. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.